Hi, how's it going? Welcome back. We're here with the Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport. This one has the TRD lift kit. Let me give you some numbers on this sucker. This is with 265 7017s. Okay, these are Cooper Discover AT3 4S. So let me give you, I'll try and go as straight up as I can. And center of the hub, I'm gonna call that 22 3/4 inches. Okay? I'm also gonna do this for you. I'm gonna give you, there's this little seam here, and there's the bottom of the door. I'll give you that point there from the ground. I'm gonna call that 21 3/4 inches. Okay? Let's move back and we'll take a look at the back. Okay. Let's see, get this set up real quick. Real quick. There we go. So we'll do back here. Straight up as I can to the fender. I'm looking at, that's 23 inches. Okay? And I will give you the same thing. Let me give you the bottom of the door here as a little reference. Straight down if I can. 22 1/4. So there you have that. Let me know if you want any other measurements, and I'll get them to you. See ya.